In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy on Amazon in 2025. Whether you're a first-time shopper or just want to streamline your online shopping experience, this guide will make the process simple and straightforward. First, open your web browser and go to Amazon.com. If you don't already have an Amazon account, you'll need to create one. Click Sign In at the top right corner, then select Create Your Amazon Account. Enter your name, email address, and create a secure password, then click Create Account. Once you're signed in, it's time to find the product you want to buy. Use the search bar at the top of the page to type in the item name. You can browse through the results and click on a product to view more details, including price, reviews, and shipping options. If you decide to buy it, select any specific options like size, color, or quantity, and then click Add to Cart. Your item is now in your shopping cart, ready to be purchased. You can continue shopping and add more items to your cart or proceed to checkout if you're ready. At checkout, review your order to make sure everything is correct. Next, enter your shipping address and choose your preferred shipping method. Amazon will show you available delivery options and estimated arrival times. Then, provide your payment information. You can pay with a credit or debit card, Amazon Pay, or other available payment methods. Double check your payment details, then click Place your order to complete the purchase. After your order is placed, Amazon will send a confirmation email and keep you updated on your delivery status. You can also track your order directly from your Amazon account under Orders. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can buy anything on Amazon quickly and safely. Happy shopping, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.